Today is finally the day. We are ready.
Are those the tickets? Dad, are those really the tickets?
4 of them, 1 each.
Haha! Jake, I heard you run. What is it? Race tickets. We are going today.
Sun hats go in first. Water bottles last. Sophie, can you hold this?
Yes.
Everyone ready? We leave in 2 minutes.
I have been ready since yesterday. How far is it, Dad?
About 40 minutes. You will hear it before you see it.
Sophie, look! There it is! That car is going so fast it is blurry. Vroom. Hard corner left. Corner right. Full speed. Go! Jake, you are driving an invisible car again. I was just practicing. Dad, it is so big.
Wait until the cars start.
This is the biggest thing I have ever seen.
See the track down there? That is where they race.
It is so long. I can feel it. The sound is in the ground. Me too. What was that? What was that incredible sound? There are so many of them. Each one is different.
Every team has its own color.
Those are the drivers. They have real suits and helmets.
They look like superheroes. He is waving at us.
He is waving at everyone. But you can wave back.
I want to be down there one day.
Race starts in 5 minutes. Watch the signal lights on that gantry.
I see them. The lights are on. It is about to start. I know. I cannot breathe. Go already. Come on. Please just go now. They are going. Look at them go. Go, 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 go.
The whole crowd is standing up. Even you, Dad. I know.
This is the best day ever. This is the best thing ever.
Just look at him. Look at that face.
Watch how they slow before the corner. Too fast in, you spin out.
Why do they slow down?
The car has more grip going in slowly. It is faster out of the corner.
Slow to be fast.
That one.
He did it exactly like you said.
Exactly right. You are sure?
Yes. I have never been this sure of anything.
Then we will see what you are made of.
I will show you. That blue car is in first place. Go, blue car! Dad, I want to talk about what I said today at the circuit.
I have been thinking about it too.
I want to be a race car driver. That is what I want.
Okay.
Study hard. Train your body. Never give up. And have discipline.
4 things. Okay. I am starting tomorrow, first thing. Then get some sleep tonight. You are coming too?
Did you think I would let you run by yourself?
How long do we run?
Until you want to stop. Then 5 minutes more.
Study first. Track after. That is the deal. I made this for you. It is you winning a race. Where is the other car? There is no other car. You are so far ahead, they are all behind the paper. That works. But I went further today than yesterday.
I noticed.
Braking point. Trail braking. Oversteer. Write it all down. Okay, they are faster now. They will not be faster forever. I was last today. Last out of everyone. That is the number I have to beat. Every single day. I was last today. Last out of everyone. But I wrote it down.
Hard day out there? I was the slowest one out there. The hard parts are part of it, Jake. They are not the problem.
They feel like the problem.
I know it does. Do it anyway, Jake.
I think I am getting faster.
I know you are.
Better time. That is actually better than before. Faster. You have to be faster than that. Fast feet. Fast hands. It is all connected. Just finish the page. Then you can sleep.
I see you in there working.
This one shows the trophy. It is very big.
How big exactly?
This big. Maybe bigger. It depends on how fast you go. I passed one today. One more each time from now. 4 things to do. Every single day. No excuses.
See the gap he leaves before braking? 2 meters further than everyone.
He brakes later?
Later braking means you carry more speed, but you need perfect control.
I want to learn that. Do we run in rain every time now?
Does rain stop a race?
No. Rain does not stop a race at all. It is smaller than I thought it would be.
It feels bigger from inside.
The wheel is smaller than I thought, too.
Everything is smaller until you are moving.
Slow in, fast out. That is what I know. Jake, we are here. I can see you.
He cannot hear you yet.
Okay, this is what you have been working for. Already behind! Already behind! Come on, push harder! Too wide. I braked too early. Slow in, Pen. You forgot. Smoother hands. Stop fighting it. Be smoother through the corners.
Is he okay?
He is learning. That is exactly what this is for.
Go! Go! Every single one of you is so fast. 6th place. Right near the back, out of 7. I was so far back. I did everything wrong.
You started. That is the hardest part, and you did it.
I came 6th.
Today, 6th means you know exactly what to fix. That is more than nothing.
What do I fix first?
The corner entry. Everything else follows from that.
Slow in, fast out.
I know.
I made this before the race. I was right. I came 6th, Sophie.
6th is just first from the back.
Where do you get these things? I want to do that. I still want to do that. Corner entry. Braking. Start reaction. 3 things to fix.
Corner entry. Remember what we worked on.
I remember.
Good start. Stay on the line. Corner coming.
There. That is it. Slow in, fast out. Got one past him. Now hold the gap. He got one. He passed one.
He did.
Hold the line. Do not give them the inside. Third place. I actually finished in 3rd place. I want to do that again. Hey, Q.
I know you do.
I want to do that. More than ever. First medal. The first of many more to come. Kart race 4 next month. Then 5. Then the regional. 2 more to beat. Same as the kart.
You are ready for this now. It explains why the corners work.
Can I keep it in my room?
Look at who he is becoming in there.
I added people watching this time. There are thousands of them. That is very detailed.
First place! That is first place right there.
First place! Jake, you won. He won. He won.
There it is at last. There it finally is.
This is good thinking. You understood more than I told you.
I figured some things out on my own. Do you want me to slow down, Dad?
Keep going. I am keeping up just fine.
Still there on the shelf. Right where it should be.
What is the actual track temperature out there today?
It's holding steady at 95 degrees. If the track is cool, I run more front wing. It gives more feel on turn-in. I would have had him at the last sector. I need more there.
You saw it. That is good.
I am keeping every single one of these.
I drove well. I know I drove well.
Not this time. Okay, not this time then.
I didn't get it, Dad. I know. I still believe in you.
Come home when you are ready. The run tomorrow is at 6.
Okay.
Not done here. Not even anywhere close to done.
Does rain stop a race?
It never did.
I want to do that again. I always want to do that.
They spelled his name right this time.
That is a good sign.
Every single one of them I am keeping. I update it every year. The crowd gets bigger each time.
How big is it now?
They do not fit on one page anymore. I use 2 sheets. Of course they do not.
This is what you worked for. Read every page.
I already read it twice.
This is where it started. All of it.
What are the tire conditions out there today?
This is the one. This is what everything was for.
I can see the car from here. It is the dark blue one.
I see it. 15 years of this.
Every single one of them. I have been making this sign for 15 years. It is quite full now.
He will see it.
You know this. You have done this thousands of times.
There was a boy on those stands once. He is here now.
Same as always, little one. You come too.
They are going. He is going.
Come on! Boxed in. Hold position. Do not give them anything.
He knows what he is doing.
I know. I know he does. Slow in, fast out. He told me that when I was 6.
There it is. Later braking. Just like we always practiced.
He moved up. He is in second. He passed 2 cars.
Now hold it.
He moved up. He is in second. He passed 2 cars.
Now hold it.
I see you. You are too early on the brakes. I can have you.
He is right there. He is right at the front.
He is.
Come on. The last lap is next. Go now, go now, go!
All those mornings. They are all in this lap right now. Now. You go now. Everything you have right now.
I want to do that. I have always wanted to do that.
I want to do that. I am doing it.
He did it. He actually did it. I knew it. I always knew it.
I know you did.
The race was never just mine. It never was.